Want to make WhatsApp calls ring again on your iPhone? First, open Settings and scroll down to find Notifications. From the list, tap WhatsApp, then tap Notifications and make sure Allow Notification option is toggled on. Next, launch WhatsApp and tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Tap Notifications again and check that incoming call notifications are enabled. This ensures the app itself is allowed to alert you when someone calls. If calls still won't ring, open Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh. Scroll down to WhatsApp and enable the toggle so the app can stay active in the background and receive calls. You should also verify that focus modes or Do Not Disturb aren't silencing your calls. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, and make sure no moon or focus icon is highlighted. If one is active, tap it to turn it off. After following these steps, your ringtone should now play as expected. If this helped you, please tap like, share your own troubleshooting tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.